finishing day, 350. Shathi uyasebenza awusebenzi uyawazi futhi ukuthi capitalize ukuthi okay ngalesikhathi yini engayenza kwi-market ngingathola ini ngatrade ekseni ngatrade emini ngatrade those are things engizoyi understand egroupini because I believe ukuthi here kunabantu who are like here for the first time so the deeper I go the more they get confused. That's what most people they confuse. Because when you see those forex traders, they flashing cars and all that, you get the inspiration. Because now, after that inspiration, which is also part of depression, you're looking at that and you're looking at where you are, you're looking at the gap in between, you're like, it's too big. It's lapana, the vision, which is the full picture, what we seek to do. To empower individuals globally by offering accessible forex trading education.
Maybe the fact that we are the head gets into our heads until
you come to me, I explain, you see what I do, you see what I have, and then you say one thing, I don't have time. And then you dedicate your money. Please do it for me. Because for me, I'm working, I don't have time, but I got the money, and then you hand over the money. The person takes the money, they charge. 2015 years, and I project from 2015 I projected to 2025 that I will have everything I ever wanted, and I got everything I ever wanted and more. So I'm a witness with you. Writing your goals down and timing them, it does happen. As long as you have proof of something, how it got there or how it came to be, that is not luck, it's action. If you're starting off, know where you are. Stop pressurizing yourself. We have finally arrived in Port Shipston for the 7-month method seminar. So those who are Christians, if you go to your Bible, Ecclesiastes 11, 1-2, it says invest your money in forex trading because one of these days you might blow. Just kidding. Port Shipston, say what? 714. Say what? 714. Say what? 714. You're starting off with a 714 method. You need to close your both ears and eyes on all social media, forex traders and whatnot. That will help you. You vent out, you don't focus on anyone. You delete all the groups and you go on. Now. This person who comes from like a poor background, like permanent poverty. The story is different. And you want to hear what is happening there, you see. So for me, did everything, and then how it happened is I was trading for years. Then when I started making money, I was saving it up, and then at one go I did everything, of which What about the man? That's it. Jenny Pro! 714! Jenny Pro! 714! Money, so I can be able to trade. That's a lie. That's a lie, because I have people who take 90 rands to 600, who take 100 rand to 1,000. Why? Because I am advising on that. Take the littlest money, make it big. That's what is important. Yabo. Not what you need more money. You'll end up being in debt. Yabo, you're 1,000. You're taking that money, you're putting it there, you're losing. We like people to share our exciting moment with. It's just like when you're starting off trading. Get the same trash talk. It's a scam, doesn't work, blah, 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 blah. You're losing money, you're wasting your time. It's all the negative talk. Yeah, bo? And then once you start winning, when you share that with them, now they want to borrow your money. Perception. But for me, as I say that in trading, let's just be honest. And I'm going to be honest with you throughout. If you hate me, you hate me. Oh, bye, Sissy. Okay, I think I've said something that offended her. Oh, your husband drives a Polo. Oh. So, here's the thing. The reason why we're here, really, it's not because you like me, right? It's not really because you love forex. The reason why you're here is because you want to buy your house, paid off cash. It's because you want to buy a car. It's because you want to pay off your debts. It's because you want to start a new business. That's what I say, You see, like, don't think that because all of you are here, all of you are gonna learn, and all of, because if you check here, I have 18,000 subscribers. Basically, these are number of people who are like following my work. But if you go to TikTok, I have over 140,000 followers. So checking that number and checking this number, this is where the work is, because you watch and do. The most important parts of understanding this price. If I'm selling you this pen, right? I'm not just gonna say I'm selling a pen. There should be a price. If I'm selling it now, there should be a price. I'm selling this pen, it goes for 10 rand. So you know it's okay. I have 10 rand, I want to buy the pen. But if I'm just gonna say I'm selling the pen, what price? You know, what's for exchange? So that is not accurate, that is not precise. Ngaswazi masikhuluma nge-714 method wena ubhizi utshela abantu la hey mashaya ishaya forex hey mashaya hey unestairs mashaya hey uhamba nemoto enkulu engaka hey mashaya une-BM mashaya wena yabo. So i-714 method should be the one which changes your life, makes you the money, and ikwenze wena ube ufakazi. Not ukuthi you're gonna be here talking about my life. Mina nginandaba ukukhuluma ngami doesn't pay you any rent, doesn't do anything. They want
Okay, my name is Agnes Mahlangu from Mpumalanga in Middelburg. I was so interested in making my life easier with financial solution engiyithole Mr. Mashaya, which is 714 method. From May 2025, I started following his YouTube account. I followed him on TikTok, and then I started doing a demo. I started trading on demo, and up until now, what I can say, I'm safe in his hands. In fact, in 714.
There's a lot of forex traders here in the Free State, but they won't do this. The only thing that they do is try to prove to you that they are rich. Even if they do something small, you must pay. Someone claiming to be rich, but whenever they're hosting something, you need to pay. So how rich are you? You see? So that's where you get to see the actual truth. Most people are just fumbling around. The point is not to look and to prove that you are rich. The point is to create a reliable lifestyle. Starting trading back in 2018, I did most of the things of which you did as well. A friend referred me to forex trading and say, hey, this is something I think you should pursue. Maybe you can actually make some money here. Back at the time, it was mostly on survival mode. I was just on survival mode. Trade to buy groceries, trade to be able to afford mobility, trade for me to afford my cosmetics. So the goals weren't really that much. I wasn't looking for anything bigger than myself. Say what? 714. Say what? 714. Say what? 714. Amatata, say what? Okay, let's go. Most of you have paid for trade line strategy. From this guy to the next guy, you're paying. You got another guy showing you the balloon screens, you're paying him, he's teaching you the same nonsense. You get to another guy, you can say what? 714. Say what? 714. Say what? 714. Say what? 714. Lady Smith, say what? 714. Say what? 714. Say what? 714. Say what? 714.
Traders and blowists, welcome to the 714 method Peter Marisbeck seminar.
Okay. PMP, say what? Say what? Say what? Say what? Okay, so class. Okay, last. Okay, market, say what? Say what? Say what? Say what? Oh, it's all right, empangeni sayiba isempangeni right? Shosho. Yeah. Khona uthuqumbile. Empangeni say what? Say what? Say what?